In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Microsoft Edge settings. If your browser feels sluggish, your home page looks different than you remember, or extensions are acting up, a reset can quickly bring things back to a clean default state without removing your favorites or saved passwords. I'll walk you through exactly where to click, and I'll share a few tips along the way so you know what to expect. First, open Microsoft Edge. Make sure any important tabs are saved or bookmarked, because after a reset, you may need to sign back in to some sites and re-enable extensions. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the window. Click the three dots, also known as the menu button. This opens a drop-down menu with all the browser options you'll need. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens a new tab with Edge's Settings dashboard, where everything is organized into sections on the left. In the left-hand sidebar, click Reset Settings. If you don't see it immediately, scroll down the list. This section is dedicated to restoring Edge to its default behavior, which is useful when troubleshooting problems caused by misconfigurations or unwanted changes. In the main panel, select Restore Settings to their default values. Edge will explain what this action does. It resets your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pinned tabs. It also disables all extensions and clears temporary browsing data like cookies. Your favorites, history, and saved passwords are not deleted, so your core data remains intact. A confirmation dialog will appear so you can review the change before proceeding. When you're ready, click Reset. Edge will apply the default settings right away. This process usually takes just a moment, and you won't need to reinstall anything. After the reset completes, take a minute to check your setup. If you rely on certain extensions, head back to the extensions area to turn them on one by one. This is a great way to identify if a specific add-on was causing issues. Since cookies and other temporary data are cleared, you may need to sign in again to websites you use frequently. If you had a custom homepage or preferred search engine, you can set those back up in settings at your convenience. That's it. Your Microsoft Edge settings are now restored to their defaults. Use this reset whenever the browser feels off or you need a fresh baseline for troubleshooting. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get Edge running smoothly again.